Ang Perky Food Explorer naman na si Roxie Smith, isang classic dining experience naman ang sinubukan ng bisitahin niya ang 1960s inspired private dining place na 61 Orange.
The experience in 61 Orange is that we want as much as possible to stay true to the era from as soon as you come in, and even the plates that we
They look
are
so
going
pretty
to...
and
Thank
fancy.
you! We have like a collection of plates, and again, just for everyone to experience what it's like to dine in the 60s, and we really want to make sure everything is real to the era, or authentic to the era. Roxie, I'd like you to meet our beloved chef, our very hardworking chef, Chef Nats. This is Roxie.
Sure. I'm excited to try your food.
You're hungry.
Ready na ako, 7 courses. Let's go!
First off, you're going to have the clam chowder.
Clam chowder.
This is the New England kind of clam chowder. It's creamy. We only use fresh seafood, so that's fresh clams. And then there's a bacon. And then the thyme, we got it from our garden.
It's really good. It's giving the taste of the sea. I really love na lasang-lasa mo talaga yung clams. Meron siyang factor na kahit nakailang subo ka na, parang you want to finish it until the bottom of the bowl because it's really good, really flavorful. Lasa talagang high-end. Lasa talaga pang fine dining. What a good start. Masarap siya.
This is our orange and feta salad. Underneath is like romaine and then 2 kinds of oranges and then feta. And then we made our own orange vinaigrette.
Wow, it looks so good.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you.
This is also new. This is our octopus and shrimp ceviche. The octopus and shrimp is cooked in lime, lemon, and orange juice. And it has cucumber and red and green bell pepper.
Mahilig ako sa seafood sobra, and it's another course that you can taste the sea, so I really like it, and it's really rich in flavor. Medyo may unting kick. It really gives a different vibe in your mouth, and I really enjoy it, and I really like it.
This is our paella al nero. Okay, it's paella cooked in squid ink. There's baby squid inside, and then I topped it with shrimp. And then the white stuff that you see there is the wasabi aioli I made, so that you can eat more.
It's very flavorful, and ang hinahanap talaga ng mga tao dito is yung sukarat. Parang siyang tutong. And nalasahan ko yung tutong. Ito yung in demand sa kanila when they order this paella. It's really good.
So you have your USDA 500 grams choice 21-day aged ribeye.
21-day age.
It's cooked medium, and then on top of it is a compound butter which I made that has garlic confit, rosemary, thyme, and flat parsley. And then it comes with made from scratch truffle chips that we just made today.
I love how it's really soft. It melts in your mouth. Perfectly made steak. It's a 10 out of 10. Kung pwede ba 11? 11 out of 10. This is truffle chips. Truffle is my favorite. Rinig niyo yun? Crispy. Sarap. Parang bagay na bagay siya sa ribeye. What goes well with steak? Unting sangria. It's really good. Bagay na bagay sa steak. And it's also house-made, so they made it themselves. It's very special. What a way to end the 7-course meal. It's really good. Kahit busog ako, parang may space pa talaga sa dessert. Because they say that the normal food goes to your stomach, but the dessert goes to your heart. So, naramdaman ko naman, my heart is full, as cheeky as that sounds, but it's really yummy. I like how they made it, and you won't feel too bad in terms of calories kasi it's very healthy. It's not heavy. It's perfect for the palate. Parang na-cleanse talaga yung palate ko. So, if we started with the bang, we are also ending with the bang. Ang sarap nito.